Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Sir Rogan. I am the reporter number 1 and I will be presenting problem 1 and problem number 2. Problem 1. Approximately, San Fernando is building decorative lantern tops in the shape of regular triangular pyramids or tetrahedrons. Each lantern top is molded from a net of equilateral triangles with an outer edge length of 12 centimeters. To let light pass through, a smaller equilateral triangular cone with an edge of 4 centimeters is cut out from the center of each of the four triangle faces. What is the remaining surface area of the bamboo frame for one lantern top? So first, to get the surface area of the bamboo frame, we will get the area of that large triangular, equilateral triangular, and smaller equilateral triangular. So to get the area of these two, we will use this formula. A is equals to square root of 3 over 4 times S squared. So we will just substitute the given in the formula. So let's first solve the. So let's first find the area of the large equilateral triangle. So square root of 3 over 4 times 12 squared, which is, so it will be square root of 3 over 4 times 144. So we will just divide 144 by 4. So the area of the large equilateral triangle is 36 square root of 3 square centimeters. So now let's proceed to smaller equilateral triangular. So again, we'll just do the same thing. Square root of 3 over 4 times 4 squared. So it will be square root of 3 over 4 times 16. So again, we will just divide it by 4. So the area of the smaller equilateral triangular is 4 square root of 3 square centimeters. So now, to get the surface area of the triangle faces, we will use this formula. SA equals 4 times 4 quantity of large area of the large equilateral triangle minus area of the smaller equilateral triangle. So we will just substitute the given, and it will be 4 times 36 square root of 3 minus 4 square root of 3. So it will be 4 times 32 square root of 3. So the total surface area of the bamboo frame is 128 square root of 3, or approximately equal to 221.68 square centimeters. So now let's proceed to number 2. Engineers in Rizal are constructing a miniature concrete model of a square pyramid monument. Square base has an edge length of 10 meters. And the vertical height of the pyramid from base center to apex is 12 meters. Calculate the total surface area of the needed to construct a protective metal sheet covering the entire pyramid, including the base. So the given are, the side length is 10 meters and the height is 12 meters. So since the height is the only given, we will change the height into slant height because we need the slant height in the formula. So to change the height into slant height, we will use this formula. L equals square root of h squared plus s over 2 squared. So we'll just substitute the given in the formula. So square root of 12 squared plus 10 over 2 squared. So it will be square root of 144 plus 25. And it will be square root of 169. And square root of 169 is 13. And it will, the slant height is 13 meters. So now we will find the surface area. So we will use this formula to find the surface area. So SA equals S squared plus 2SL. So we will just substitute the given in the formula. So it will be 10 square plus 2 times 10 times 30. So it will be 100 plus 260. So the total surface area of the net covering the metal sheet, it will be 316 square meters. That's all. Thank you for listening.